So here we have the AKG Y500 Bluetooth headset. It's been awarded the Design Award 2018. Well, no, it's 2020, but still. So let's take out the sleeve. So it's got Harman logo. That's just part of Harman Kardon's business. Serial numbers. Taking out sleeve. Some instruction on the back. So you can connect using a cable and Bluetooth. And just general information. So it gives you 33 hours of battery life. So 5 minutes of battery charge equals 1 hour of music. And it's got some general guide on what the buttons do. It's the usual stuff. Nothing special. So cutting this plastic. So once you slide it out, got the box, and then on top of that is a plastic sleeve to get to the headphones. Lift that up, and then you got the headphones sealed with plastic ties. Inside the box you got a fabric pouch, and inside the pouch you have the user guide. Don't want to bother opening that up. And then you have a charging cable, a micro USB charging cable, and a headphone jack. And yeah, and silica package that you can chuck away. Now taking out the box, this is the actual headset. So aluminium feel, it's actually aluminium. Quite a padded ear piece. So on-off switch, ambient button to turn down the volume to hear the surrounding, a micro USB charger, a port to connect, volume up and down, and then a headphone jack. Yeah, that's all about it. Nothing special. Seems to be okay. It's got Y series written on here. Adjustable. Yep, that's all about the AKG.